digital age, social media in particular, has given misinformation a wider reach. Ang kailangan natin ngayon, a reassuring voice that is able to get itself heard above all the noise and conflicting opinions. Bilang kasapi ng pamahalaan, alam kong dapat maging voice of reason ako. Hindi nagpapadala sa mga haka-haka, hindi nagpapadala sa takot. Ngunit aaminin ko bilang isang ina, isang magulang, nangangamba ako. What we are facing is something new. We do not know how contagious the coronavirus could be or how deadly. Sa ganitong mga pagkakataon, nabubuo ang mga agam-agam at takot ng tao. The primary reason that moved me to file Senate Resolution number 293, calling for an inquiry into our government's response to the 2019 nCoV, is so we can provide reassurances while we have yet to find a cure. At para rin makahanap tayo ng solusyon kung meron pang pagkukulang sa response natin sa threat na ito. Government has to step up, but even now, we are dealing with indictments from the public. Ang pakiramdam ng marami, naghahabol tayo. We are being reactionary instead of ideally being proactive. Dapat inuunahan natin ang mga issue na posibleng lumitaw. Have we identified a viable quarantine facility, or is self-quarantine effective? Are we prepared in the event of an outbreak of the virus? Will our hospitals have the capacity to treat our people? Are we making sure that our response is guided by the desire and indeed the sacred duty of government to serve the people that it represents? Ito ang mga tanong na nais maisagot ng ating mga kababayan. At inaasahan natin na mabibigyang linaw sa hearing na ito. On the policy-making side, I'm also interested to find out whether it will be possible for us to implement a fully funded pandemic response infrastructure. Kung makakapaglatag tayo ng ganitong klaseng whole-of-government approach sa pagtugon sa sakit na may measured response sa halip na tapal-tapal. Mabibigyan natin ng peace of mind ang ating mga kababayan. Dahil hindi lang naman coronavirus ang kalaban natin ngayon. Tandaan ho natin, nandiyan ang problema natin sa polio, measles at iba pang mga sakit.